Good morning, guys. Well, I apologize not making any more videos yesterday evening. I just went to town, putting things together, cleaning things. So we got the shackle bushings all done on both sides. These nuts are just snug. They won't be tightened until we actually have all the weight of the car sitting on them. Because if you tighten them now and then you put the weight, they go screech. Oh God! He brought me a brush.
Yeah.
All right. Because we showed in other videos how just gunky this is, and normally I can get away with putting some brake clean and a rag and push it through. But
look at it. It's already getting gross.
Yep. So the outside of the housing got cleaned up real quick.
Looks good.
We got the U-bolts on, nice and snug and tight. Got new shocks, up and up and up and up. So this was all gunky, and this was just a quick cleaning.
Brake hose.
Got the brake hose disconnected. I just got to pop that side. We'll get the new one on here in a couple minutes, which is sitting somewhere in this box. It's somewhere in there.
When Victor opens up, I got to go over and double check the spline count on the axles.
Uh-huh.
And then I can order the third member.
Ooh.
It had a 370 gear in it.
That's pretty gnarly.
Yeah, it's a little deep. So we talked to Aaron this morning. We're gonna do a 325.
Ooh,
with a clutch style posi. It'll be really nice.
Nice cruiser.
Be a nice cruising gear for him. Get a little better mileage. So once I get that figured out, I'm gonna probably do tire size calculation and get the right speedo gear too.
Oh, there you go. Cool.
So we'll handle that.
Ooh.
That's all figured out.
Math.
Math. Yeah.
Math.
I know how to do math. I can read.
Sometimes we wonder, but that's all right. It's too early for me to read.
U-joints. That's something that can be knocked out today.
Yeah, we can get the U-joints all done today. Just get that all cleaned up.
Clean this mess up a little bit. Wheel bearings for the front, get that done.
Sway bar cleaned up.
Back in.
Bushings, boom, bolted in. That's easy peasy. That's on the agenda today.
We'll check in with Victor, see where he is on the arms and the other goodies.
Yep. Oh, we got ball joints still coming?
Ball joints are ordered. They should be here today.
Ooh, that'd be sick. Might give me something to do tomorrow, huh?
We're expecting ball joints. We're going to get BJ's today.
All right. I didn't have to beg for it?
You may have to pay.
But, yep.
Anyway.
So, yeah, the parts are dwindling down like we always like to see.
Yep.
A few things like the third member gasket won't go in until the new third member gets here.
Well, remember the third member should get the install kit, so that's going to come off his invoice as a credit.
Oh, okay.
And then the kit part components.
That's right.
On it.
Yeah, Speedway?
Speedway.
Yeah. Well, we've been having really good luck with them.
They're really nice.
I think this will be our third or fourth one.
Fourth one.
So that's super dope.
Yeah. And I mean, the way, like I told Aaron on the phone, it's like, we could do them in-house, but it's going to cost more for the same thing, and it'll take longer. So,
yeah.
It's
and it
more
just
cost-effective and easier for everybody.
And it comes in one of those little, you see the red bucket there to the right?
That's the beer can recycling now.
Yeah. But it comes in a box like that, all ready to go. Install kit comes in a separate box, which is nice because it's nice, actually really thick gasket. New hardware.
Yeah, their gaskets are reusable too.
Oh, really?
They're silicone, yeah. They're the same ones like I run on the race car.
Nice.
Because, we're always changing the chunk, different tracks.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look, Scotty's back.
Morning, Scotty.
Good morning, sir.
Did you go to the...
There should we see.
They have you directly on their corner, or?
Pretty much.
Right.
But yep, that is the update here. I'm gonna finish cleaning the inside of the housing and keep on trucking along here.
Keep on keeping on.
What do we say?
Deuces.